Have it.
It's okay.
Oh.
You're excited. Okay. Lost your chance.
I just.
My clothing merch came in and I'm super excited. And it's here, so watch me unbox it. But, or unbag it, it's a bag. But, yeah. I just want to let you guys know that I still don't really know what I'm doing, and this isn't literally... What are you doing? Say hi! I still don't literally know what I'm doing 100%. Come! Can you watch her? Thank you. So we don't know what we're doing. We have stuff to screen print. I think I might want to do iron on stuff. I was doing all kinds of stuff with I am. Do you want to say hi? It's Live Your Vision on YouTube. Oh, you live here. I said it's Live Your Vision. Not really. I have like 200 subscribers.
I have more than 10. I have 1 billion.
You have 1 billion subscribers.
I got 18.
You have 8? That's pretty good. It's hard to get like views and stuff on YouTube. Just they make it difficult.
I'm not even grown now. I'm still on YouTube. I got my own phone and stuff. I'm signed up.
Yeah, you can film on an iPhone or whatever phone you have, really. You don't have to have a fancy camera.
I was outside. I threw my phone right in that tree and it broke.
Yeah.
Now I got me 1 trillion subscribers for breaking my phone.
Yeah, that's what's up. Maybe I should break stuff to get views.
It was literally you should break popsicles.
Popsicles? Okay.
It was literally prank people.
Prank people. I thought about it.
That phone was like $6.
I'm gonna give her a sandwich.
Over $1,000 money on that phone. It just literally broke.
Yeah? Well, hopefully it's worth the views. You sell what? Does anything? That's awesome.
Maybe we should
You gotta hustle.
chocolate.
Exactly.
What the heck?
Alright, I gotta watch her. Yeah, you wanna say hi? Anyways, yeah, like I was saying, I still don't know 100% what I'm doing with this shirt. Hold on, I'm gonna give them a business card. Come on. Come, girl, watch her.
Pretty exciting stuff.
Let's see in here. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, there you go. I made these a long time ago. And they're not stickers, they're not anything cool, but they're something. I'm not gonna give them that much. Give them like 4 or 5. Something like that. Anyways. Oh wait, I was gonna give them this. They're not stickers or anything cool, but they're my YouTube. They're like the business cards. That's the logo.
I'll get you 1,000 subscribers.
You know 1,000 people? That's awesome. Thank you. But yeah, now you guys are on YouTube. I didn't really film you too much. This is your voice, but right on. I have to finish making this video. Dada! Hi! You can take those cute when you're doing pictures of it.
No. I don't like that we're right next to the water on this behind. Okay.
Okay. Here, I'll hold her. Just come over here. Welcome to today's video, you guys. Right, so right here, you guys, we got it. We got the shirt. Not sure what to expect at all. Hopefully they didn't mess it up, because I have had experiences with that in the past. But, what? The messed up hoodie? You know what I'm talking about? Anyways, we got the daughter who was crying. Don't be sad. She wants to jump in the pool, which is not okay. But yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, obviously. Just have to get that out of the way, because I don't want people to just watch like the first few minutes. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Do you want to help me open this? Sorry. You good? You want to help me open this? No, she doesn't. Anyways, so just, I don't know what to expect, but you can come closer if you want. You don't have to just be on me. You can get up on this. Alright, first impressions are, it's a next level apparel actual t-shirt. There's a barcode on it. I was gonna go through Teespring, but I was expecting a piece of paper or something. There's no paper. It looks like the screen print's pretty.
Wait, I'm going all over the place.
Pretty thick, a little thicker than I expected, but it looks like a shirt. It looks like a shirt that I would wear. You good? All right, let's just lay it flat here and check it out up closer. I'll swap you the baby.
Yeah.
Anyways, the contrasts and the colors are a little aggressive, I'm not gonna lie, on this particular printing. But the shirt looks comfy. Yeah, it's kind of thick, but I'm sure like a wash or something, it wouldn't be as rubbery. What? What?
I did this and it like sounded weird.
It's pretty well because you're rubbing it on the table. You're getting it all dirty.
I thought it was, but I don't
She's like
know.
using the. It's an XL. But yeah, I was gonna go through Teespring. They apparently didn't like something about this. I don't know whether it's something to do with. I mean, tiny BMW logo. There's this. I skewed the font myself, so I have no idea. Maybe it's the font or the logo that I use, but try to make it all original. Maybe it's the guy. I have no idea. I like to include other people in this vlog, but it just happens that that's not always the case. Say bye. Where you going? Are you confused now? Don't make that. Hi. I guess she was taking some pictures, so there's all kinds of stuff going on today, but yeah. I don't mean to have them not be around, but it was very loud and overwhelming, but that's my life. That's okay. But yeah, it came out. I'm glad it's on a shirt, basically, so it's pretty sick. I love the edit and everything. It does look pretty, a little more contrasty than I remember, but could just be the print, you know. Definitely will last. It's definitely something I will. I'm excited to wear, though. I mean, it looks really good on camera. Not gonna lie, but yeah. I guess next clip I will. Whoa, excuse me. Next clip I will wear it, and yeah, there's not much else to this vlog other than unboxing it. The quality of the shirt's pretty great. Everything about this shirt's pretty great. You know, I would have liked to go through Teespring and everything, but I'm gonna have to figure out my own printing and go from there. You know, or through something else, or I don't know what I'm gonna do quite yet, because I did like the Teespring and I liked the fact that it was easy and stuff, but at the end of the day, if I did it through myself, and I would be able to make more money, and it's not necessarily about money, but it is at the same time. I do want to take it kind of seriously, and yeah, I'm saying a lot, but yeah, if you guys don't know, I made this shirt in honor of these two cars. This car, you know, kind of built on the channel. This car, I did other things, you know, off camera, because I took a break when we had the baby, but it's got the coilovers and wheels and light mods, but the plan is to get an e36, so when I do end up, I want to have like 2 go-to shirts basically, and the plan is to see if I can put the camera somewhere. It doesn't matter, but the plan is to have the 2 shirts be like to fund the next build. So, super excited about that. But yeah, next clip, I'm gonna just go over there in the corner and throw it on. And yeah, so check it out while I model it. And maybe have Naya throw it on as well. But yeah, there it is. It's pretty sick. I'm pretty excited. I don't really know, you know, don't know what kind of thumbnail I'm gonna get with this. Something like that. Maybe take a screenshot like that. But yeah, I'm pretty proud of it. You know, not gonna lie, it's definitely, the image is bigger, and this XL is humongous. It looks like a double XL, so which isn't bad. It's all cotton, so it does get dried. I'm not that worried, but yeah, it's kind of crazy. And the more I think about it, seeing my cars on a shirt, you know. I'm looking at everything individually too, you know. Like I took this picture, I took this picture, I took all these. It looks all individual, but as a whole, I mean, it does look pretty sick. And yeah, this type of print will last, you know, I'm pretty sure, which is nice too, because it is so thick. I don't know much about screen printing it, and just that's why I'm learning. That's what this channel is all about, you know. I didn't claim to know exactly what I'm doing with anything, so, but yeah. So you guys are gonna follow me on my journey, and I will, like I said, next clip I'm gonna just throw it on. So check it out. Here's the shirt. I'm wearing the shirt. First thing I noticed was the sleeve. She always flips it, so I don't know what I'm looking at right now. I'm just like out here. Just
I'm such an awkward.
I feel like disoriented. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm so used to, I don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, we got this shirt. It's already got cat hair on it. You got Chris in it with the cat hair and the animal hair. You guys got animals? We out here? This climb. The real test is the durability test, right? So like you gotta do something like this. The real test is a durability test would be to wash it, which I actually kind of do want to wash. It's kind of like a rubbery feel. It's kind of thick. I forgot if I mentioned that. Yeah, and the sleeves are kind of small. Come here, girl. Come. Yeah, we out here. I'm on my wheels. I hope you guys enjoy like watching this stuff. I don't know what I'm doing. I like that it's Largo. I don't know. If you want like a real, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do what I originally wanted. I'm just gonna print on an iron shirt, iron it on, super budget, and but if you want something like big and legit, I'm gonna sew in a tag of my own, maybe one day. If you want a rib, some tie-dye, basically what I wear. So I'm gonna have what I wear, which is pretty lit, and then there's gonna be like the $20 shirt. I've always talked about this. I just need to just stick with it. So I just gotta find the right person to print them. Yeah, I just gotta make things official, and then I'll make my own website and stuff. It'll just be a journey. You guys are gonna follow along, and yeah, we're just getting kind of like, I'm okay. We're just getting kind of we're overthinking it. Just got to do it, and then we learn as we go. But I don't know, I'm happy with it came out, but I wonder how it would look if I did it myself. And yeah, I don't. It was just heartbreaker kind of seeing that all on there, but I think everything happens for my highest good. And she's kind of thinking about what she wants to do too. But I think you should go the route like super legit. If you want to charge $45 to $50 for a shirt, I don't think there's anything wrong with it.
I don't care.
But you gotta make it look extra. You really gotta sew in your own tag and stuff, and like